So I'm in the middle of adding an extra drive to the server that is, or the box that is my parents' file server. We're adding an 18 terabyte Exos drive to an external USB enclosure, but it won't fire up. So I've taken the controller out here, we've done a bit of homework. We reckon that this is one of the latest SATA standards, and it's pin 3 here is causing the power disable signal to be enabled on it. So I think I'm just going to chop the back of one of these pins in here. We have a close look. I think I'm going to just chop pin 3 somewhere here, fold it up and see if that helps. Okay, we have chopped and lifted pin 3. See if this works. Alright, well I think it's still doing it. Alright, so we ended up chopping all three 3.3 volt pins, made sure nothing was shorted, and the problem remains. It's still giving a little beep like the spindle motor can't quite power up. I do notice that this was a seller, or rather a manufacturer recertified. I noticed they did test the spindle motor. You can see the little divots in here where they've put the test probes on. So this might go back under warranty.